Good morning, students. I am Manish Pandey from LPM Public School. Today I am going to teach you 7th chapter of class 6, and that is pronouns. Okay, so in this lesson we will know definition of pronoun and kinds of pronouns. Okay, so actually before I tell you something about pronoun, read this paragraph and state what why it sounds funny. Okay, so actually in this paragraph I have read already, and I found names are repeated everywhere. Okay, so Catty did and Catty car, so all the names are repeated everywhere, so it looks very clumsy. Okay, so that is why we use pronoun at the place of noun. Okay, as we all know, definition of pronoun: pronouns are words that take the place of nouns. Okay, that take the place of noun. Pronouns are words that take the place of nouns. Okay, so instead of repeating nouns everywhere, we use pronoun. Okay, for those nouns. Okay, so nouns will be replaced by pronouns. Okay, for example, Mary is my friend. Now for Mary, in next sentence we will use she. Okay, Mary, if we write again Mary, it looks very clumsy. Okay, so Mary is my friend. So for Mary we will use she. Okay, she studies regularly. Okay, here the highlighted word is a pronoun. The highlighted word she is a pronoun. It takes the place of a noun. Pronouns are of different kinds. So I think you have understood the use of pronoun, why we should use pronoun instead of noun. Okay, so pronouns are of different kinds. So we will read about those different kinds: personal pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, reflexive pronouns, indefinite pronouns, possessive pronouns, interrogative pronouns, emphasizing pronouns, distributive pronouns, relative pronouns. So we will take one by one, and we will solve exercise as well, and we will come to know about everything about pronoun. So now read these sentences. Okay, she has invited them for dinner. She has invited them. So them is used as a pronoun here. You can now use also pronoun. She is also pronoun. You can meet me tomorrow. Okay, them and me are objective case pronoun, and she and you and they are subjective case pronoun. When we are using a pronoun as a subject, they will be subjective case pronoun, and when we are using pronoun at the place of object, that will be an objective pronoun. Him is also objective case pronoun. Okay, so the highlighted pronouns in these sentences stand in place of people or thing. Okay, they stand in place of people or thing. Okay, people or thing that receive the action of the verb are called the object of the verb. So what is object? People or thing that receive the action of the verb are called the object of the verb. Okay, they are receiving action of the verb. Okay, now pronouns. What is personal pronoun? So we will study about personal pronoun. What is personal pronoun? Pronouns that stand in place of people or thing are called personal pronouns. Okay, so personal pronoun stands in place of people or thing, so they are personal pronoun. Like he, she, it, they, you, we, they are called personal pronoun. Okay, personal pronouns that come in place of the subject in a sentence are called subject pronoun. As I told you, they are coming in place of subject, so they are subject pronoun. Okay, personal pronoun that come in place of object in a sentence are called object pronoun. so they are coming in place of object, so they are object pronoun. Okay. Now read these sentences. Your picture is more beautiful than mine. This book is yours. The highlighted pronouns show possession. They are showing possession. It means picture is mine. No, sorry. Your picture is more beautiful than mine. So mine is showing possession. So it means I have also a picture. So for that, showing that picture, that picture is that picture belongs to me, we used mine. And this is possessive pronoun. Okay. This book is yours. It means this book belongs to you. So to show possession, we used to show possession of the book, we used yours here. Okay. Now the highlighted pronouns show possession or ownership. So possession or ownership showing with these possessive pronouns. Okay. Pronouns that show possession or ownership are called. So definition of possessive pronoun is pronouns that show possession or ownership are called possessive pronouns. Okay. Now I study the table. So now some tables are given here, in which actually first person singular, second person singular, third person singular. Actually personal pronoun can be divided into three categories: first person singular, second person and third person. So first person singular pronoun is, and subjective pronoun is I. Okay. Objective pronoun is me. Okay. This is singular, and possessive pronoun is mine. Okay. Now next, second person singular is you, subject pronoun. Okay. Object pronoun will remain same, you, and possessive pronoun will yours. Okay. Third person singular he, object pronoun is him. Third person singular she, object pronoun is her. Third person singular it, object pronoun is it. Okay. And possessive pronoun for his will remain same, his, for her hers, and for it its. Okay. Now first person plural. First person plural is we. This is objective pronoun, subjective pronoun, and objective pronoun of we is us. Okay. And possessive pronoun is ours. Second person plural you, it will remain same, you, and possessive pronoun yours. Third person plural is they. Okay. Them and theirs. Okay. The third person plural, subjective pronoun, objective pronoun is them, and possessive pronoun is theirs. Okay. So some rule is given here. It is a contraction. It is, if we writing it and comma then s, it means it is contraction of it is. It is short form of it is. Okay. For example, it is a nice day, isn't it? Or it is a nice day, isn't it? But when we are using s with it, it means it is showing possession. Okay. It is a possessive form of it. For example, the house belongs to Mr. Das. Its door are painted red. It's showing the possession. Okay. Its door, we use it's for Mr. Das. House, for house. Okay. Its door are painted red. Now first exercise we will do. Choose the correct pronoun from the brackets. Okay. You and I must return on time. Actually me is also given, but me only can be used in the at the place of objective pronoun. So here we need subjective pronoun. You and I will both will be a subject. So I is a correct word. Okay. Now Trisha can lend her car. So now blank is given and two options are given here, their and hers. So what is the correct word? Hers, because this hers showing possession and we use for Trisha. Okay, so hers is a good correct word. Now my aunt invited my sister and me to dinner. So let me tell you, why did we not use I here? Because my aunt is a subject in a sentence. Okay, now we need object. My sister is object and second object only can be me, not I. I cannot use at the place of object. Okay, I only can be used at the place of subject. So objective pronoun we will use and that is me. Okay, this was what is hers. Hers, okay, because this is possessive pronoun hers. Her will be wrong. Her will be possessive adjective. So hers is possessive pronoun. So that is why hers we used here. Nobody but she can help us in this matter. She and her both are given, but we need subjective pronoun and subjective pronoun only can be she. So she is used here. Nobody but she. Okay. You, he and I. So again in same case in this sentence also. Me is the objective case pronoun, I is a subjective case pronoun and we need in this sentence subjective case pronoun. So I can be used, not me, okay? Because you, he and I, all the three pronouns are subject in this sentence. So I is a correct word, okay? This book is mine. So mine is showing possession. So that is why mine is possessive pronoun. We cannot use I. So we can only use mine. Do you need a table for three? So actually with do we can use only you, okay, not he. With do, auxiliary verb do, we cannot use he. For this simple reason we use you. Okay. Now our garden is much bigger than theirs. So theirs is possessive pronoun. So that is why we use theirs here, not their. Okay, there is possessive pronoun. Okay, and there is possessive adjective. The house is mine again. This is possessive pronouns and this is possessive adjective. So we need a word that is possessive pronoun. So mine is the correct word. This house is mine. Okay, that is why we used mine here. Now we will study about demonstrative pronoun. Okay, read these sentences. This is a nice surprise. This is demonstrative pronoun because this is referring to something that will run for an hour. So that is used to refer something. Those belongs to Richa. For plural things we will use those. Okay, so this, that, those, these, when refer to something, refer to any things, that will be a possessive demonstrative pronoun. Okay, some points are given here. This and these are referred to nouns that are nearby in time or space. Okay, that and those refer to nouns that are further away in time or space. Okay, this and that refer to singular noun and these and those refer to plural noun. When nouns we are referring to are plural, then we will use these and those, but noun is singular, then we will use this and that. Okay, getting me now? Definition of demonstrative pronoun. Pronouns that are used to point to nouns are called demonstrative pronouns. Through demonstrative pronoun we refer to something. Okay, we used to point to nouns. Okay, this, that, these, those are demonstrative pronouns. Okay, now on demonstrative pronoun one exercise is given. So we have to study it, we have to read it thoroughly, and we have to find a solution. Now exercise number B, fill in the blanks with suitable demonstrative pronouns. Okay, both the toys are nice. Both the toys are nice, but this one is better than that. Actually, both the toys are nice. Actually, this is already used here. So, other demonstrative pronoun, what we can use? That. Okay, because this is used for one toy and that will be used for other toy. Okay, now next, the streets in Old Delhi are narrower than those of New Delhi. Actually, streets, this is plural, so that is why we use those here. Okay, to show plural. Okay, third, my views are similar to those of the members of the committee. Actually, members, actually this word is plural, so that is why we use those here. Okay, the climate of Mumbai is as temperate as that of Goa. So the climate of Mumbai, this is singular. Okay, this is singular, that is why we use that of Goa. Okay, if in a sentence a singular is singular word is used, so we will use singular demonstrative pronoun. Okay, not plural. This is a gift from friend. Gift is singular, that is why we use this, not that. Okay, this is my bag is singular, that is why we use this here, and that is her suitcase. So that is showing object which is far away. Okay, and bag is near, so that is why we use this for bag and that for suitcase. This is placed far away. Okay, our soldiers are better trained than those of our enemies. So our soldiers, okay, our soldiers, this is plural, and also enemies, this is plural. For plural things we will use those. Okay, you take these and I will take those. Actually, those is already used in this sentence, that is why we used these. Okay, you take these and I will take those. Okay, so my dear students, let me tell you, in this video I have told you definition of pronoun, kinds of pronouns, some kinds of pronouns. Actually I covered only two kinds of pronoun till now, and that was personal pronoun and demonstrative pronoun, and two exercises we have done in this video. Rest of the exercises and rest of the portion I will tell you in my next video. Okay, till then, thank you very much. Keep healthy and stay healthy.